Welcome back. Continuing the news, healing through pet therapy. It's a joint effort of the Bustamante Hospital for Children and animal shelters across Jamaica to help pediatric patients better cope while under medical care. Kian Morgan has more in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
It's a pet and patients playdate at Ward 3 at the Bustamante Hospital for Children. From dogs and cats to exotic animals like turtles and snakes, the animals were handpicked from shelters like the Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, JSPCA, the Montego Animal Haven, and the Hope Zoo. The session forms part of an 18-month-long program called Animal Assisted Recovery Care, which is aimed at providing therapy to sick children.
Pediatric patients are hospitalized. There is increased trauma because of the separation from family, and creating this bond with the animal helps to reduce some of this anxiety, and also it helps in reduction of perceived pain and stress.
Program coordinator and ENT consultant at the hospital, Dr. Marsha James, says with permission from parents and proper sanitization protocols, a cohort of children are selected for the sessions on the last Thursday of every month. She says it's especially beneficial to long-stay patients.
We have a patient, Leo, is in the ICU. Unfortunately, he has to remain in hospital because of his condition, and he has formed a significant bond with Teddy.
This golden retriever, Dr. Teddy Barks, is the program's therapy dog. He's about a year and a half and was trained specifically for sessions like this. But the interaction here with the animals isn't just beneficial to the patients. The staff and parents are just as excited.
The first day we did it, the staff took pictures. We had 2 snakes with us. They loved it.
It helped some of the adults like myself to get over our fears.
Teddy's almost like a celebrity now. As soon as she shows up and starts coming down the hospital, everyone's like, oh, Teddy's here.
Joey Brown, general curator at the Hope Zoo, is Dr. Teddy Barks' trainer.
Golden retrievers are commonly used in various therapy programs around the world, around the U.S. So with this being the first kind of this new thing for Jamaica, we wanted to start off with a golden retriever. As a young pup, since 8 weeks old, he's been living at my house and doing obedience training, socialization training, desensitization training. Obviously have to be friendly and loving, but they must be very relaxed and very comfortable around little kids, wheelchairs, noisy machines.
And after evaluation, the hope is to expand the program to other medical facilities, by extension, schools, homes, and institutions for the disabled.
When you're in places like this and you're on your own and you're away from your family, it's nice to get a little bit of love and affection.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.